Hey tech fans, welcome back to Touch Trove News. We've got some exciting updates for you today. Samsung has just launched the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, but the real showstopper is the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. And according to Ice Universe, a trusted source for tech leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is getting a major design makeover. Samsung has finalized the designs for all three models in the Galaxy S25 series, and the Ultra model is getting the most significant updates. So what can we expect? For starters, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature an asymmetric frame for better grip. That's right, folks. The rear panel will have a more rounded side frame, making it easier to hold with one hand, while the front frame will stay flat. This new design may give the phone a narrower appearance, but the exact method is still under wraps. But here's the thing, this update confirms earlier rumors about design changes. Remember those reports in late June that suggested Samsung was working to improve the grip of the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Well, it looks like they've taken that feedback to heart. The Galaxy S24 Ultra had a large 6.8-inch screen and sharp corners that made it less comfortable to hold. But the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to change all that. Samsung is taking user experience to the next level with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's new asymmetric bezel design. This innovative feature is designed to enhance grip and ease of use, making it a game-changer for smartphone enthusiasts. But what exactly does this mean for you? The rounded rear panel side frame of the S25 Ultra is carefully crafted to fit more comfortably in your hand, addressing the discomfort some users felt with the sharp corners of the S24 Ultra. This thoughtful design change is especially important for a phone with a large screen, as it enhances overall usability and makes it easier to use with one hand. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite shows, play games, or browse the web without feeling like your phone is slipping out of your hands. That's what the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to deliver. With its sleek new design, Samsung is showing its commitment to improving the user experience and setting a new standard for smartphone design. In a bold move, Samsung has managed to maintain the overall width of the Galaxy S25 Ultra while making the side frame narrower. This careful balance between phone size and grip reflects Samsung's commitment to understanding user needs. The asymmetric bezel design is not just about adding new features, but about enhancing user-friendliness. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, users can expect a phone that not only looks stunning but also feels great to hold. The excitement is building, and we can't wait to see how this new design is received. Will it be a game changer or a minor upgrade? Share your thoughts in the comments below. But that's not all. Samsung's focus on user experience goes beyond just design. They're committed to creating a phone that's both functional and enjoyable to use. Whether you're a busy professional or an avid gamer, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is designed to meet your needs. So, what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited about the new design? Share your thoughts, and let's get the conversation started.